Yo, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having an awesome day. My name is TechTroy and today I'm going to show you guys how to add a sensor within your video or in your images or even in your video clip. It's super easy, and this tutorial is going to be a really short one. So without further ado, let us begin. So to add a sensor, all you're going to need to do is click on layer, click on effects, click on basic effects, and you have two options. You got the Gaussian Blur or the Mosaic sensor, which both of them works pretty well. I hope I pronounced those names pretty well. So if we go on Gaussian Blur first, and basically this is how it looks like. So obviously the blur isn't quite strong enough, so what you're gonna need to do is click on this little icon here which says blur strength, and if you increase the strength, as you can see, it becomes so blurry that you can't quite read the text, and this would dramatically help if you are trying to hide your user account or even your email or password to your viewers, so that you don't expose your account to your viewers and possibly do not get hacked. This is the basically way. You can also add effects on your sensor. You can add the fading effect if you want. Right here you can add a fading effect so that when you're done it'll fade away. So yeah, that's it. So if we check out the Mosaic, as I said before, we're gonna go to layer, effects, basic effects, and click on Mosaic. Now with this censorship, now what it does, it makes the image look a lot blurrier, so you can't quite tell what the text says. It makes it blurry, and then as you can see, when I click on this, when I click on the block size and increase it, you can't quite tell what's gonna be written. And this is quite easy. Even by default, when it comes to 5, you have a really hard time making out the text. And what makes it worse, if the small text are really small, by default you won't just see them. And it's a really good sensor. As I said before, you can fool around with these in the settings. You can add fade to it, like the end fade, and it'll go back to normal once you're done with the clip or the video section that you're trying to censor out. It will do a pretty nice job. So yeah, that's it. That's how you add a sensor within your video in Kinemaster. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below what you think about the video. Also hit that post notification bell, and check out my Kinemaster tutorial playlist, where I have a few more Kinemaster tutorials in there. I will make some more tutorials to try and help you out using this Kinemaster video editing app. So if you did enjoy this video, again, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below what you think. And as always, my name is TechTroy and I'm signing out.